We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can reset your Safari browser on an iPhone. So in the beginning, let me get some theory in. So by resetting the Safari browser, you're going to erase all your browsing data, including browser history, bookmarks, favorite websites, saved credentials, and just, well, in general, restore the factory default state of your Safari app. Now there are ultimately two ways you can do that, and well, they are identical in the result that you will get, but well, they differ in the steps you need to take. So the first method is through launching the Safari itself. Then tap at this book icon here, bookmarks icon to be exact, go into this section, clear, then well, select the all history section and well, clear the history. But as you could already notice, it will only clear your history, not everything else. So if you would like to reset every aspect and every part of your browser to default, you'll need to go into settings. Here find the Safari section or Safari category, here it is. Then scroll this settings and properties page down about halfway and find the clear history and website data button. Tap on it. Well, select the all history section. You can also close all tabs, clear it, and well, I guess that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. Well, let me open the app or open the Safari. As you can see, everything is reset, no tabs. If I were to open the history, there is none here. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.